The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has leaked yet again, and this time, things are looking clearer, sharper, and far more exciting. DJI seems to be preparing the biggest leap in the Pocket lineup's history. The headline upgrade? A brand new dual-camera system making its debut on a Pocket device for the very first time. More creative control, better versatility, and a major step up in overall image performance compared to the Pocket 3. Early information suggests the Pocket 4's primary camera may use the same advanced variable aperture sensor found in DJI's latest action cameras, bringing a significant improvement to low light, dynamic range, and clarity. Even more interesting, DJI appears to be adding a second 1/1.3-inch square sensor designed specifically to make vertical shooting feel more natural. Perfect for creators making TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. Some of the early assumptions about the Pocket 4 featured things like a dual-screen layout, but new details reveal that what looked like a second display is likely just a compact status screen for quick settings. Battery life, however, is shaping up to be better than ever, with reports pointing toward noticeable gains in shooting endurance. Combine that with a slightly larger main display and a lighter overall design, and the Pocket 4 is starting to look like one of DJI's most creator-focused upgrades yet. With the device already spotted inside official certification databases, all signs suggest DJI is wrapping up final steps before launch. And while the timing may shift due to ongoing regulatory discussions in the US, the Pocket 4 is unquestionably close. This might just be DJI's biggest and boldest Pocket release to date. Stay tuned here on Technify, because things are heating up fast. The Osmo Pocket 4 has quietly surfaced in official certification filings, giving us one of the strongest indications yet that DJI is nearly ready to reveal the device. The documents themselves aren't flashy, but what they confirm is crucial. The hardware appears finalized, the design seems locked, and DJI is now completing final approval steps before going public. The Pocket 4 appears under the Model ID OP041, matching previous leaks perfectly. Although no product images are included in the documentation, key internal details are now confirmed. The battery is receiving a noticeable upgrade, jumping from the Pocket 3's capacity to a significantly higher one. In real-world use, creators can expect around 15 to 18% more shooting time, addressing one of the most common complaints from Pocket users. Despite the battery boost, DJI seems to be continuing its trend of lighter builds and refined materials, similar to what we've seen in their latest camera releases. The shape and layout of the Pocket 4 appear to stay close to the Pocket 3's design. No dramatic redesigns, no unexpected form factor changes, just a smart evolution of what already works. Connectivity remains familiar too, keeping Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options similar to the previous generation. But where things get exciting is with the rumored upgrades. If the leaks are accurate, the Pocket may 4th introduce a much larger 1-inch sensor, possibly cropped slightly to fit the compact gimbal body. DJI has recently pushed toward square format sensors across multiple products, and the Pocket 4 could be next. A square sensor unlocks huge benefits for vertical content, allowing creators to shoot true vertical 4K video without any loss in resolution, unlike the Pocket 3's traditional rectangular sensor. With short-form content dominating the internet, this is a massive advantage. Video capabilities also appear to be receiving a giant leap forward. Early reports suggest the Pocket May 4th supports 6K recording up to 30 frames per second, giving creators more room for cropping, reframing, and stabilizing without sacrificing detail. For slow-motion enthusiasts, 4K at 120 frames per second is rumored as well, ideal for smooth cinematic slow-motion sequences. Exposure control is another area that may change. Some leaks mention a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, an excellent addition for dynamic shooting environments. Others point toward an enhanced built-in ND filter system instead. Either setup would help creators maintain consistent exposure in bright outdoor conditions without relying on external filters. And of course, one of the biggest topics circulating online recently is the talk about a possible US ban on DJI. For clarity, DJI products are not banned. Anyone can continue flying, recording, and creating without restrictions. The situation is centered around an upcoming security review deadline written into US law. If the review isn't completed in time, a procedural ban could be triggered, not because of any proven issues, but simply due to incomplete paperwork. As of now, everything works as normal and nothing has changed for creators. So while rumors continue to swirl, the reality is simple. DJI devices remain fully operational, and the Pocket 4 is nearing launch. With its dual-camera setup, bigger sensor possibilities, improved battery life, enhanced video capabilities, and a design refined rather than reinvented, this could become the most powerful and versatile pocket camera DJI has ever released. As the leaks continue to unfold, one thing is unmistakably clear. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious compact cameras DJI has ever created. The combination of a dual-camera system, upgraded battery life, improved imaging capabilities, vertical-focused shooting enhancements, and high-resolution recording options positions it as a true next-generation creator tool. With certification filings completed and details aligning across multiple sources, DJI's announcement is closer than ever. While external factors might influence the final launch timeline, the Pocket 4 is nearly ready, and excitement in the creator community is only growing. Stay tuned to Technify for updates, breakdowns, and full analysis the moment more information drops. The Pocket 4 is almost here, and it's looking like a game changer for filmmakers, vloggers, and mobile creators everywhere.